Our captain says that this welder is beginner friendly. So I brought my buddy Brad here who's never welded before, and he's gonna weld on my Falcon.
Wait, you want me to weld?
Yeah.
All right.
This is the ARCCAPTAIN MIG 165 welder. This is a MIG welder. It also does stick welding, and you can do lift TIG, but you have to buy a lift TIG torch separately. You can do solid wire or flux core. It comes with a gas line for it and the ground clamp. You also get a strap to carry it, a brush, some stickers, owner's manual. Comes with different size tips and wheels. It also comes with 0.035 wire, which I already have pre-installed in the welder. According to the instructions for welding with flux core, you connect the polarity crossover plug to the negative, and then you connect this ground clamp to the positive up here. This thing will run off 220 or 110. It comes with this little adapter. The on-off switch is in the back. Controls are super simple to use on this. You got flux, solid wire, stick, and lift TIG. We're gonna be welding flux. Then you got 0.035, 0.040, 0.030. We're using 0.035. And then you got two different control modes. You got 4T and 2T. We're gonna be welding with 2T. So we're gonna set our metal thickness. We're gonna do 0.07, and then it automatically tells you your amps, volts, and inches per minute, but we can adjust that later if we need to.
Hey man, are we gonna start welding anytime soon?
So now we're actually gonna start welding on the car.
Wait, you want me to weld on this thing?
Yeah.
What do you want me to weld?
We're gonna be welding the bumper.
Bumper?
Yeah.
Okay.
I gotta finish shaving these carriage bolt holes.
What if I mess it up?
It's fine, you're not gonna mess it up. If you mess it up, I can fix it.
All right.
It'll be fine.
All right.
So
It's your baby, man.
This bumper just comes right off. But you're gonna be welding these up. So I'm shaving this front bumper. I got other videos on this. I got videos on this whole car, so check them out. I'll put a playlist. I got everything else shaved. We're gonna fill these in.
Oh boy.
So how was your first time welding?
Honestly, I really liked it. I enjoyed it. I had fun. Super easy to learn.
Yeah.
Can't really go wrong with this thing, man.
You gonna hang out in the garage more? Help me work my
Possibly.
car? Yeah.
Yeah, I thoroughly enjoyed it. I thought it was very beginner friendly.
You can set the thickness, and then it already tells you like settings that it recommends.
Right.
And then if you need to adjust it, you can from there.
Right.
That's what I think is really cool. I like how portable this is, especially when you the flux core, like you don't have gas line or nothing, so you can move this thing around and bring it wherever you need to.
It's very, very beginner friendly, which is a huge plus in my opinion.
Yeah. Anyone working in their garage, car restoration, or just trying to weld a couple pieces of metal together, like this thing's super simple, nice and compact, so you can store it away. Like it doesn't take up a lot of space. You could put it on a cart with a bottle and use solid wire if you want to, but
it's even a great practice tool. Like if you're not doing work, you can practice with this thing.
Yeah, this is the ARCCAPTAIN 165. I do want to thank ARCCAPTAIN for sending this over. I won this in a drawing on Instagram, so thank you guys. I have no obligation to give it a good or a bad review. I really like the machine, so I wanted to share with you guys. Awesome unit for in the garage or wherever you want to work, but I do a lot of garage work, so you can check that out. I got this restoration going on, 1964 Ford Falcon, and I got other videos as well, so definitely check out my channel. I'll put playlists and video links in the description. There's also going to be a link to this in my description if you're interested in it. Also check out Brad's channel.
Check out Raptor Airsoft 5. It's just an airsoft channel. I like to go play airsoft, shoot BBs. Go check it out.
Thanks for watching.
Appreciate it.